Welcome back to Cars Hub, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid. Now, I've driven my fair share of hybrids over the years, but this one? It's like Toyota took everything folks in your shoes care about. No-nonsense reliability, comfort that doesn't quit, and a dash of modern smarts, and baked it into a compact SUV that feels made for the daily grind. Stick around, and I'll show you why this might just be the last hybrid you ever need to buy. Let's get straight to it. The Corolla Cross Hybrid wasn't built to turn heads or win style awards. What it does do is nail the basics better than most. Take that new front grille. It's got a honeycomb pattern borrowed from Toyota's Thai market models, paired with headlights that slice through the dark like a hot knife through butter. The rear bumper's been tidied up too, giving it a cleaner, I've got my life together look. Those 18-inch alloy wheels? Think of them like a good pair of work boots. Tough enough for gravel roads, polished enough for Sunday drives. Open the door and you're greeted with a cabin that knows its audience. Yeah, there's hard plastic on the dash, but let's be real, that's a blessing when you're hauling grandkids or muddy gear. The real win here? Toyota finally ditched those postage stamp screens. The new 10.1-inch touchscreen, optional overseas, fingers crossed for the US, sits front and center, with menus so simple even your flip phone toting buddy could figure them out. And those cloth seats? Plush enough for a 4-hour drive to the lake, with lower back support that'll make you forget you're 62. Rear legroom? Let's just say your 6-foot nephew won't be kneeing your seat back. Now, under the hood's where this hybrid earns its keep. That 2.0-liter 4-banger teams up with an electric motor for 196 horses, enough pep to merge onto the highway without white-knuckling the wheel, reaching 60 miles per hour in just 7.4 seconds. It's surprisingly quick for a Toyota, and the best part? You still get 45 miles per gallon around town. That's 500 miles between gas stops if you drive like I do, slow and steady, with the AC cranked. The all-wheel drive handles wet roads like a pro, though I'll warn you, the brakes take some getting used to. They're softer than grandma's biscuits, so plan your stops early. Toyota has always been known for its strong safety game, and the Safety Sense 3.0 package continues that tradition. The adaptive cruise control doesn't just match speed, it anticipates, easing off the gas half a second before you even notice traffic slowing. Lane centering? Gentle as a nudge from your co-pilot, not some jerky robot. And that rear seat reminder? A real blessing for anyone who's ever had to turn around for a grandkid's left-behind backpack. Attention, Nightshade Edition lovers! Toyota isn't letting go of those sleek black wheels and darkened taillights, which pop beautifully against a new midnight blue finish. Red stitching on the seats adds just enough flair without screaming, "Look at me!" Bottom line? The 2026 Corolla Cross Hybrids like your favorite flannel shirt. Broken in, dependable, and ready for whatever life throws at it. No, it won't tow your boat or wow the neighbors. But if you're after a hybrid that'll outlast your last truck payment without nickel and diming you at the pump, this one's worth a long, hard look. If this sounds like the kind of no-fuss hybrid you've been looking for, hit that like button, subscribe to Cars Hub, and drop your thoughts in the comments, especially if you've driven a Corolla Cross before. We've got more straight-shooting reviews coming your way. Stay tuned.